really rich.
Yeah, that's
Where's the cake?
I want to see your necklace.
And all of that is
Wait.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, it's little pet shop. Where did the cup come from?
Look at all the candles.
From the pet shop.
Wow.
Holy
Hold your
moly.
hair back, honey, so you don't light your hair on fire.
That would be some entertainment. That's what that
That'd be Squish Day.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Better go.
would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's
6.
Yeah.
Okay,
She's 5 years old?
we gotta give her extra spankings for them candles.
No.
Yeah.
No, that is really cute.
Well, she hasn't even gotten them for me and Jenny yet. So.
Or me.
Emily,
That's a
you
nice
like still
birthday
Littlest Pet Shop? What I was going to do